So in the last session, we have seen how you can connect your EC2 instance with your web server. Now we will understand how you can connect with your terminal. Okay, so to connect your EC2 instance with your terminal, first you have to select that, go to the connect, go to the SSH. Here you can see chmod 400 Udemy courses. We will talk about more about this. Okay, first I clear the screen. I'll go to my directory where my secret key is there, right? It is in my downloads folder. Then I'll paste that command chmod. Okay, and then example, copy this one and paste it over here. It will take like few seconds. They are asking you if you genuinely want to like connect with this system. Just write yes and hit enter. It will just providing you a warning, nothing else, and boom, you are connected, right? You are able to see this image, and the similar image you can also see over there last time when we logged into the web server. Then you can also able to see that. Now our server is up and running. Now we can easily follow all of these steps and try to understand what we can do. Okay, without delay, let's start to this lecture.